Hello, welcome to the MainView for IMS Function and Features training sessions. I'm Mike Frost, a software consultant with BMC. In today's session, I will be giving you a look at the MainView for IMS Dashboard. The dashboard is a great tool for sysprogs to get a global overview of their environments. It's a helpful tool for any IMS sysprog who is responsible for monitoring the IMSs. Well, we'll go ahead and jump right into the dashboard. So first, when we log on our system, we want to get into MainView. We want to select option 1 here for MainView. Your panel here may look different, but we do want to just access our normal MainView. Once inside of MainView, we want to go ahead and select I for IMS. You can see I here. And then we want to select Performance, option 1, and that's number 1, MainView for IMS Online. Next, we can set our context. If you wanted, you could select an individual IMS here, but for this example, we want to use all, as we want to get a global overview of all our IMSs. So we'll go ahead and hit enter. Now we are in the IMS SSI Easy menu. The IMS SSI Easy menu has many options. We can look at performance, activity status, communications, exceptions, transaction analysis, resources, cross-references, as well as look at various tools and menus. Again, for this option, we want to look under activity and status and look at the dashboard. When we come into the dashboard, we can see that we are now on the IMS DSHOR menu, which is the IMS dashboard menu. And here we can see that we have a global overview of all the IMSs that are in our Plex. So we can see that we get a quick view of over 8 IMSs. Here we can see the current status of the IMS for these that are active, if we have any warning messages, if we have any unavailable resources, our message queues, we can look at our locks, if we have any waits, see the status of our regions, if we have any stop classes, if the IMS logs are active, how our pools are doing, our CPU utilization, our subsystem statuses, how OTMA is doing, as well as our IMS Plex. Now this window here is a great view to look at an overall status of how your IMSs are doing. Here you can quickly identify if you have any warnings that you need to take a look at, if you have any unavailable resources, regions are hosed up, or if your IMS logs are not active. The other very nice thing about this window is that you can look at individual IMSs. So, for example, for IAGM, if we wanted to look just at that IMS, we could hit enter here. Now we can go in and gather all the information that we saw on the original screen, as well as some other information. For example, we could look at general information, and we see that we have our IMS, our last checkpoints, if it's fast path, if our start DC is enabled, as well as a lot of other general helpful information. If we want to exit that screen, all we do is PF3, and we PF3 again to get us back to the main dashboard. Another nice feature is that we can go and look directly at our warning messages. So again, we see that we have 4 in IBGM, and we can go ahead and hit enter. You'll also see that these lines are color-coded by their severity. Obviously green being good, yellow being a slight warning, and this pinkish red color being a greater warning. So here we can see we have SEV 1, our Oldsmobile single, as well as other severity messages, including our IMS control region dispatching priority being incorrect, our monitor QQLT increasing towards the threshold, as well as our latch trace being on. This is nice because we can get a quick overview of exactly the warnings that we have, and we can look at all of our IMSs at once rather than going in individually. Again, the dashboard is a very useful tool for IMS sysprogs who are responsible for the global IMSs. We recommend that you take a look at this screen often, and it can provide you with a lot of useful information. If you would like any more additional information on the dashboard, you can do so by looking at the documentation, which you can find on the BMC support site. That will do it for today's session. Please like and subscribe to the BMC Mainframe Solutions System Services channels and watch the additional MainView for IMS videos that are available. Thank you. Have a great day.